Hey everyone, and welcome back into the channel. We need to have a chat because I just spent a couple of grand in the markets. There are some fantastic deals, and guys, Coinbase has come out on its IPO and it has been an absolute tear. It was up at $450. Let me just double check this because I need to okay, it was at $430 at its highs, and now it has come all the way back down to $323. Bargain! So I have been buying up Coinbase. I actually got it right at the low at $314, and I'm very excited to hold this one as a long-term gift in my portfolio because this is going to be a great chance to hold this stock long term. And if we in fact see any more dips below 314, then I am going to be buying some more Coinbase because I think these are extremely good levels for the long term, and I'm just really excited. I've also bought 3 other stocks today, several £100 worth, and I have alerted all my Patreons. So if you would like to know what those stocks are, then be sure to click the link below and join the Patreon. Again, there's only about 3 or 4 slots left now for the early bird special with 50% off of the price of a cup of coffee, and I am just so excited. I had to come on here and tell you guys how excited I am about Coinbase because their valuation right now is only valued at an $86 billion company. Guys, this company is doing over $1 billion in revenue just in the last few weeks, which is absolutely insane. This company is going to be massive. They hold 11% right now of all the crypto assets. Obviously, like a bank, imagine if one bank held 11% of all the money in the world. It's kind of crazy. So this company is only going to grow as the popularity of Bitcoin obviously increases. And you guys know I love my Bitcoin. I absolutely love cryptocurrency, and recently I have in fact started buying out on some new crypto assets, some new crypto coins that I've never spoken about on this channel. I have actually been purchasing a little bit of Elongate, and I was actually going to be buying some SafeMoon recently, which I decided not to, but I am watching my eye on a few of those crypto coins because there is a lot of money to be made, I believe, in the crypto asset. And right now, while we are in such a bull market, such a bull phase, I am very, very excited moving forward to put my toes and dabble again a little bit more into the crypto and the digital side of things while I'm learning about them, because every time I learn about them I just see some incredible opportunities, and also, you know, this is going to be some really, really good ways to make future wealth very, very easy. And I'm very excited. You know, the Coinbase IPO today, like I said, it is a game changer. So if you can grab some Coinbase, guys, below that $3.50 mark, I think for the long term this is going to be a very good company. It's going to be extremely volatile, and again, you're going to have to make sure to stay on top of all of your research with Bitcoin, because if we ever did see a big pullback or a crash, which I'm not anticipating at any point obviously in the next few months ahead, we could see something maybe at the end of the year, but that is a long way off. And I think that we will see such a high recovery almost immediately. We're never going to see a crash like we did in 2017, especially with companies like Tesla, Square and PayPal, guys, that now own, you know, millions of shares on well, millions of shares, millions of Bitcoins, as you say. So it's going to be very, very difficult for the price of Bitcoin to crash down when large banks and institutions are in fact now starting to scale up, and they're building out their crypto as a digital asset to hedge against inflation, because they believe that this is a, you know, digital gold, as we say. And again, it has passed $1 trillion now in market cap, which is absolutely insane. And if we do see the S&P 500 companies, the top 500 companies of the US index, start to pile in anywhere between 1 and 5% of their balance sheets into Bitcoin, we could see an astronomical push to that share price and the price of Bitcoin to over £250,000, which is absolutely massive for one Bitcoin. And right now we are only around that 50,000-60,000 mark. So this has enormous upside. And if we ever saw a 10% allocation of cash into the crypto asset from those top 500 companies, then this is going to be almost $500,000 in market cap, guys. So that is just for each Bitcoin, I mean. So, you know, you've got to do your due diligence on this. It is very volatile. It can in fact swing anywhere between 10 to 15% in a single day. But if you are willing to hold through this spells of volatility, then again you can be presented with some nice opportunities. And again, maybe you're someone that wants to swing Coinbase, potentially getting in at these levels and then riding up the wave on any hype or news that does come out over the coming weeks. I'm sure you'll make a very good bang for your buck, and you will see those upsides of anywhere between 20 and 25% in the coming week or two ahead. So again, it is always worth obviously keeping an eye on this stock. The ticker symbol is COIN, of course, if you didn't know the ticker symbol. I am really excited. Like I said, I have been buying up 3 other stocks today because we are seeing some incredible deals, guys, in the markets. Some of those stocks I am making videos on, obviously, on my channel. We also have the Palantir demo day, so I will do another full video based on that, obviously at some point if we do get enough requests within the Discord and also on the channel community. If you guys want to obviously see that, then do let me know, and also write down below in the comments. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day just like I am, and if you are as excited as I am for the Coinbase IPO, then do let me know below in the comments, because I want to hear from you. I want to hear if you guys got in Coinbase today. Let me know what your thoughts are, what you bought in at, and where you see this going in the future. If you think that this is undervalued or overvalued, I want to hear all of it, all of the juicy goss. So be sure to share that with me down below in the comments, because I love reading all of your comments, and that is what I want to do with my evening. So guys, that wraps up this video. I hope that you found this insightful, and I hope that you found this educational, as always, as I'm not a financial advisor. And again, I hope that you guys are able to enjoy some of those gift opportunities right now that we are seeing for the Coinbase IPO at around that $330 mark. So that wraps up this video, like I said. And again, make sure to smash that like button for me if you made it this far, and also hit that big red subscribe button and join this family of investors. Why not? Because we love talking about stocks and cryptos on this channel. So guys, I hope to see you back on my channel soon for some more content on investing. I'll see you guys in my next video. Ciao.